How to use Waze on Tesla Model 3. Follow these instructions. Tap the Tesla browser icon on your car's touchscreen to launch the built-in web browser. Go to https://teslois.azurewebsites.net/ to open the web-based Waze map. Tap the star icon or three-dot menu to bookmark the site for quick future access. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or Tesla Premium connectivity for real-time traffic data. Use Tesla's built-in navigation for directions, and keep Waze open for extra alerts. Mount your phone as a backup for Waze voice navigation if needed. Tesla browser is view-only. Optionally, install a CarPlay Android Auto screen in the car to run full Waze with sound. Thank you for watching.